What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me for another ride here. We got a full 15-minute ride here. We're gonna simulate some sprints and some hills. Here we go. We're just gonna warm it on up. Nice and easy. Feet are flat, knees are bending forward today. I got a stage bike. Again, flat road here, so it's comfortable speed, all right? Remember, you always want to feel resistance against those legs. You never want to pull back all that resistance, okay? You need to feel something. Nice and easy, nice and smooth. Feet are flat, knees are bending forward, shoulders are relaxed, slight bend in those elbows. As always with any of my workouts, you can do as much as you can, okay? Modify any of the moves if you need to. That's no problem. Remember, you're just here to get that work in. Okay, so again, it's all about you. As much as you want to put into your workout. Pick up that speed a little bit more here. Just breathe in. Again, we're just warming up the legs, warming up those knees here. Sitting back, comfortable ride. Add a little bit more resistance to your ride here as we work a little bit harder. Nice job. How we doing so far, everybody? Okay, it doesn't matter which bike you have. You get the same bike as me, you can have a different bike, you have your own bike. That's the brilliant part of the indoor cycling, that they all work. Add a little bit more resistance. Again, you're in charge of your resistance today. You do as much as you need to. You add a little bit more than me, you pull off a little bit less, that's okay. Again, it's all about how you're feeling and how you're challenging yourself, how you're getting that workout in. All right, add a little bit more resistance. We're gonna get right into this now. It's getting a little heavier. We're just pushing a little bit harder. Again, chest open, okay? Chest up still. Again, don't be down here. Don't be here. Keep it nice, airway nice and easily open. Add a little bit more resistance. We're gonna get it standing up soon. So remember, when we stand, we want to make sure we have enough resistance against those legs, that we're stable. If you're feeling wobbly, you increase that resistance. All right, here we go. We're gonna bring it right up out of that saddle. Back is nice and tall. Your core is engaged. Hips right over heels. Slight bend in the elbows. Shoulders relaxed. Just breathe in. Again, if you're feeling stable, if you're here, not enough stability, add some resistance and keep it going. Keep those feet flat. We're gonna take these hips, we're gonna hover back here. Back is nice and flat. Airway open still, as you can see. Nice neutral spine. Just breathe in. Stand it on back up. Keep it going. How are we doing so far, everybody? You good? You're working. Starting to breathe a little heavier. Getting into that work now. Hover back. Hips back. Back is flat. Core engaged. Hands slide up towards the top of those handlebars. Stand it on up. Add a little bit more resistance. Make it a little heavier. You got it. Keep breathing, everybody. Good job. Stabilized. Hover back. Picking up that speed a little bit more. We're gonna stay in this hover back a little bit longer. We're working the glutes, we're working those hamstrings. Core work, back flat, breathe in. Take it on up. Keep it going, everybody. Keep working it. Keep pushing. Again, keep those elbows in. I see a lot of times people widen those elbows. Don't do that. Keep it nice and controlled. You want good cycling form the whole time you're riding. Even if you're getting a little bit more tired, don't sacrifice form. You want to stay strong. You want to be engaged. You want to keep it working. Hover back. We're going to add a little bit more to this now. We're going to take one arm back. Core work happening. Core engages. We stabilize. Shoulders strong, keeping our body up. Hips back, back flat still. I'm working it. Switch arms. Other arm comes back. Again, keep your grips loose. Keep your hips stable. Keep that core working. Keep it breathing. Keep pushing. Hand back to the front. Keep going. Can we pick up a little bit more speed? Working a little bit harder. Stand it on up. Back into some more core work. We're taking one hand off. Balance. Hips stable, back tall, core engaged. Switch sides. Awesome job, everybody. You're doing great. Hands back to the front. Pull off a little bit of resistance. We're gonna get some speed in. Starting to get into that sprint. The ground is getting flatter. We can work a little bit more speed. Keep it going. Hover back, keep that sprint. Maybe even push a little bit faster in this hover back. Remember, it's all about challenging your legs, getting through the ride, doing as much as you possibly can. Bring it on up. Keep running. Keep it going. Are you breathing? Keep it working. Hover back. Nice job, everybody. Go, go, go. Bring it on up. Excellent job. And have a seat. Nice job. Walk it out. Take a breath here. Nice and smooth. Always keep those legs going even when you're on that break. Keep the legs slowly going. No matter how slow you pull it back, that's okay. You want to keep those legs going. You want to keep it moving. We don't want to cool down too much. We're just breathing. Grab some water if you need to. Wipe that sweat. Nice job, everyone. Let's get into a little climb here, okay? We're gonna bump up that resistance. Makes it a little bit heavier. I want it to slow your legs down. Okay, so think of it as you're climbing that hill. You're in charge of your hill, remember that. As much as you're adding on, you want to challenge yourselves. You want to make sure you feel that resistance against those legs. We're switching from that sprint right into a climb here. Add a little bit more resistance. Keep climbing. Keep pushing those legs. Again, make sure it's nice and smooth. Make sure your pedaling stays smooth. If you start getting a little bit distorted with those legs, pull back on that resistance. It's getting a little bit too heavy for you. Keep those hips back. Keep it going. A little bit more, okay? A little bit more. Getting towards that top of the hill now. Then we're gonna come down. I want you to speed it up when we come down. Okay, so as you reduce resistance, you're gonna start picking up more speed. Keep the effort going, keep that intensity going. We're gonna hit a little bit more resistance. Nice job. Again, it's getting heavier, it's slowing me down. And that's what I want. I want to push the strength in the legs. I want to work that power in the legs. Here we go, we're coming down. Pull off some resistance. Again, speeding it up as we reduce resistance. Pull it down. Work a little bit faster. Go a little bit more. Just gets a little bit smoother. Remember, as we're pulling back resistance, we're coming down that hill. We're picking up that speed. Don't worry, we got another hill coming at us. And I want to make sure it gets a little bit harder for you, a little bit more challenging for you. Pull back a little bit more. All right, here we go. Riding that road. Down to the next hill. Keep it smooth. Again, picking up that speed. Good job, everybody. How we doing? Are we working? Are we breathing? Again, take as many breaks as you need to. I want it to be challenging enough though. But again, I don't want to sacrifice form just because you're getting tired. You want to finish, but take a break. It's quality here, okay? Quality form. Good feet, good knees. Here we go, second hill. Bump it on up, bump it on up. Getting heavier. I wanted you to feel a drastic change in that resistance. It's a little bit more challenging the second hill. Keep it going, add a little bit more resistance. Push those legs. Excellent job, everybody. Breathe. Keep it smooth. 1 foot at a time. Even more, even more. Let's go, let's go. Let's get up that hill. Excellent job. How are we doing? Are we pushing? Are you feeling it in those legs, in those muscles? Legs are strong. You're feeling the power. The power in the legs and the power up here. And we're going a little bit more. Okay, we're not stopping yet. We're not done yet. A little bit more. Nice job, everybody. Work it. You gotta keep it breathing. Almost to the top. Are we feeling it in our legs? Feeling it in those muscles. Legs are strong. Mind is strong. You're getting towards that goal. Getting towards that top. All right, pull back. Ride it down. Pick up that speed. Wind is blowing in your hair. You're feeling that breeze as you're picking up speed. Pull back even more. Work that speed. Keep it going. A little bit faster. Nice job, everybody. And we come down to that flat road again, okay? Straight away. We ride it out. Nice job. Keep it breathing. Keep working, everybody. Nice and smooth still. How are we doing? Are we working? Are we moving those legs still? We're pushing our cardio, pushing that in there. That's what it's always about. It's always just pushing yourself. All right, doing as much as you can for my workout, but pushing yourselves as much as you can. Here we go. Pull back a little bit more. Get a little bit more speed out of those legs. Working a little faster, a little harder, a little longer here. Go, 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 go. Give me 30 seconds here. 30-second push. Let's go, everybody. Breathe in. Getting into the timed interval here. 30 seconds. Push. As long as you can for 30 seconds. Work, work, work. Nice job, nice job. Nice legs, nice speed. Keep those legs going. About 10 seconds left here. Excellent job. And relax. Ride it out. Good job. How we do? Good job, everyone. Breathe in here. Slowing down the legs just a little bit. Back to about a jog pace here. Here we go. Add a little bit more resistance. We're gonna stand it back on up. Add enough so you're stable. Bring it on up. Breathe in. You're working it. You got this, everybody. Nice job. How we doing? Keep those feet flat. Keep that back tall. Keep that chest open. Keep it breathing. Hover back. Go, go, go. Keep moving, everybody. Bring it on up. Pick up a little bit more speed. Can you get a little bit more out of those legs? I think you can. I know you can. All the way. Picking that pace up, okay? Pick that pace up. Hover back. Keep that speed. Good job. Keep working it. Let it sweat. Keep breathing. Bring it back on up. A little faster here. Give me a little bit more. You got this. Add a little bit more resistance. Just a quick resistance bump up. Get a little heavier. Make it challenging on those legs as you're pushing that speed still. Remember, it's always about challenging your legs. Always keeping it going. Doing what you can. Hover back. Nice work. Keep going, everybody. Keep it going, keep it going. Bring it up. Give me a little bit more bump in that resistance. Bump it on up. Push. Nice job. Keep going, everybody. Keep going. You're working it here. You're working it. Feel those calories burn off. Feel that breath. That heart rate is pumping. You're working it. Hover back one more time here, one more time. Go, go, keep going. Give me a little bit more here. Stand it back up, take off some resistance. Nice and easy. Picking that speed up. All the way to the end here. All the way. How we doing, everybody? You got this. Stay strong. Don't give up yet. Stay working it. Okay, we're almost there. A little bit more here. And relax. Nice job today, everybody. Thank you again for joining me on this 15-minute ride. Walk it on out. Just breathe, okay? Slowing it down now. You did awesome. Remember, do as much as you can. If you have more in you, check out my other indoor cycling rides. Just stack them on top of each other as much as you need to get that workout in. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It shows me so much love on YouTube. You guys did awesome today. Have a seat. Walk it on out. Pull off resistance if you need to. Get some water, wipe that sweat, and just breathe. All right, we're gonna stop our pen and we're gonna get a little bit of a stretch out here real quick. Stand it back up, heels down. Lengthen out the legs, lengthen out the body, and just look up. Breathe in, heels down, heels balanced. Feet are balanced, legs extended. Slow the heart rate down, slow the breath down. Hips come back, hands come forward. Hamstring stretch, stretching out the upper back, the upper body. Take it back up. You're gonna switch your stance, opposite foot back, heels down, lengthen out the legs, look up. Shall we breathe in? Is our heart rate slowing down? Hover back. All right. Thanks again for joining me on this ride. Remember, check out the rest of my channel if you want more workouts like this. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments how you did. And until next time, stay fit, stay flex, and I'll see you in the next workout.